Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and today we are going to be doing another face mask review on my channel. I am a big fan of the Body Shop masks, and so I am going to be doing another one of theirs today. So the one that we have today, this is the Body Shop Chinese Ginseng and Rice. This is supposed to be a clarifying and exfoliating face mask. And again, it comes in a couple of different sizes. So if you are looking to try this out, this is the sample size. It's 0.19 ounces and it retails for $2.50. Also, they make a smaller jar, which is like a 0.5 ounce for $6. And then they make a little bit of a larger jar, which is 2.3 ounces for $28. So I always like that they offer these sample sizes so you can kind of try it out. And again, $2.50 isn't going to break the bank. But I do find that the Body Shop normally has really good ingredients, which normally means their masks are very effective. So let's talk a little bit about the different ingredients in this mask. So the Body Shop is really big on community trade. So when they talk about where their products come from, they tell you exactly where they come from, and they get into really in depth where the products are actually sourced from. So if you ever want that information, you can go to their website and check it out. And I always do like to read and research some of the stuff in these masks. So the first thing is the ginseng extract that comes from China. It also has rice extract that comes from China. And then the third ingredient is a sesame seed oil, which comes from Nicaragua. So I really think that's kind of neat. I like that those seem to be nice quality ingredients. And the claims of this mask are also what we're going to talk about today. So the claims are it's supposed to be a creamy exfoliating mask. It's supposed to clarify the skin. It's supposed to make your skin look a little bit brighter as well as more supple. And it's supposed to remove any dullness or unevenness in your skin. So we're going to definitely test it out. I'm going to do a demo for you guys so you can see what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so to start off with, I always like to use my Origins Maskimizer Primer. This is just a great primer to start off with before you do any face mask to give your face just a little bit of hydration. Again, it comes out a little strong. The spray is a little tough, but I just kind of put it back a little bit further from my face to start out with. And again, all that is supposed to do is to prep your skin for masks. Next up, for my tools that I like to use, I love to use this face tool by e.l.f. It's a mask tool that basically makes the application really, really easy so I can dip into the mask and get it on my face without having to get anything dirty or my hands or get it all over my vanity. So we're going to start out with that. Alrighty guys, as you can see, it is a kind of creamy off-white consistency. Again, kind of thick here, but again, it looks like it's really nice, a little off-white. Like I said, you can see small bits of that exfoliant in there. So we're going to go ahead and zoom you in so you can kind of see a little bit closer. Ooh, that is very, very creamy to the touch, and I do start to smell the ginseng in it. Very nice. Feels very spa-like, and I do feel the exfoliant against my skin as I kind of swipe it on. So I'm going to take a little bit more and just start to fill that in across my face. I love the cooling effect. Instantly feel like my skin is getting that cooling as I just kind of swipe it on. And again, I do feel the granules in there that are doing the exfoliation, so that's kind of nice. I know most of the exfoliation is going to come when you wipe this off in circular motions with hot water. That's the instructions for when you remove it. But right now we're just going to finish putting this all over my face just to give myself an even layer. It does say to do that. And again, it's got a nice smell to it, and it's nice and cool. So it feels kind of relaxing as you're putting it on. And again, I'm just going to fill in all of these spots so I can get one nice layer of this on my face. The good thing about these tester masks is that they, again, they only give you enough product for one, so you are only going to get just what you need to get your face mask on. But love that initial cooling feeling. That feels really, really nice on the skin. Alrighty guys, so I have it on my face. It says to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and kind of show you what it looks like after it's dried a little bit. But just so you can see, like, it does have, you know, that exfoliant. You can definitely see that really prominently. It has that texture to it. It felt really, really smooth going on as far as like it was creamy, but I did feel kind of that exfoliant moving around on my face. So again, I'm going to sit for 10 minutes and come back and show you what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so I am back. It's been 10 minutes. So as you can see, the mask has probably just dried down only slightly. And again, it's just a creamy mask, so it's not going to fully dry down or anything like that. but I still smell that nice like ginseng, very spa-like. It was very cooling. It didn't do anything else. I just feel like, again, it's very cooling still on the skin. So it was a really nice kind of relaxing 10 minutes. I really enjoyed it. So what I'm going to do now is follow the instructions to take it off, which means I'm going to take some warm water and with circular motions, I'm going to massage it off, and that should be the part that gives me that exfoliation. I am also going to take one of my little tiny makeup erasers. I got this in one of my Sephora boxes just to help me wipe off any excess as I clean up my mask if there's anything left that doesn't come off when I wipe it off with my fingers. So I will be back to tell you my final thoughts in just a bit. Does my skin look better? Alrighty guys, so I am back. Let's take a look at my skin and see what we think. So first off, let's talk about the claims of it being a exfoliator. Absolutely a great exfoliator. So when I washed it off, I was able to get most of it off just rubbing in circular motions and getting it off my skin that way. I did use my makeup eraser tool just to finish getting off some of the stuff that got caught in my eyebrows, but this always comes in handy as a nice cleanup tool. But it was a great exfoliator. It wasn't too harsh on the face. I would say out of all of the Body Shop masks that I've tried, this one definitely was probably the best exfoliator. And I actually do think it brightened up my skin quite a bit. My skin feels super soft to the touch. And overall, just kind of reviewing the mask, from it having that nice light ginseng, very spa-like scent, it makes the skin feel really cool, and I do think it does what it says. So I actually really recommend this mask, especially if you're a beginner to masks. I think this is a nice, easy one to do. I think almost any skin type would actually enjoy this, and it really does make your skin a lot softer. So again, if you're considering Body Shop masks, this is a great one for exfoliation and again, brightening the skin. As you can see, I kind of have a little bit of a glow. Again, I love the Body Shop. I have also done many other mask reviews, so if you want to take a look, I will leave some of them down below or link them here. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. And if you have any mask recommendations you'd like me to do, please let me know. I'm always happy to try out new masks for you guys. And if you want to see more mask reviews on this channel, just click the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!